let's see what is in our fridge. So what is in our refrigerator? So let's see. First, this is the one door fridge. So we only have the one door, and there is everything. This is the ice deep freezer. So we have here nothing like French fry, and this is the condition. It's like Atlantica because it's freezing. So I put it here, and the next is this is where this happen every time. Okay, this is eggs. We put eggs here because we don't have any rack. Yes, we had a rack, but it was only can contain 6 eggs, which is not enough for us. It's a whole tray. There is more than there are maybe 30 eggs, so we need this. And there are some this is the it is a pumpkin flour. We just handle some ramen here, noodles, and there is some fruits. So we normally put fruits in a plastic wrap so it's stay healthy. And there is some chicken breast. Okay. There it is a vegetable rack, but we don't put vegetable. It's summertime, so we don't have vegetables, so just lime. And then and this is the khazana. Everything. Granolas. So people don't put granola in freezer, but I do. And this is white chocolate chips. This is some chocolate, I don't know. And it is Hershey cocoa powder. Hershey cocoa powder here. And it is a it is a chocolate sauce, chocolate syrup, whatever you can say. This is a coffee toffee. Love it. And this is a peanut butter, chocolate peanut butter. I love chocolates, that's why. And this is more chocolate is here, and a broken marshmallow also there. And that's there. And obviously I love chocolate, that's why I dark chocolate too. I put it here. And there's some insulin which my father used. And this is the sesame seed. This is, I think, food color. This is vanilla essence, and it is yeast. And this is sesame oil. It's gochujang. Gochujang, which I don't use because the taste is very, very strong. I don't like it. And this is corn flour. I put it in freezer. This is baking powder. And there is some like honey. Obviously, this is peanut butter beba, and this is eggless mayonnaise. Okay, this is eggless mayonnaise, and this is chili oil. I love chili oil on my ramen. This is a chili sauce, red pepper sauce, sorry. And this is soy sauce, which I need every time. This is a peri peri sauce only. And there is nothing. Some water. And that's the last thing, which is apple cider vinegar. And I just dropped it ragi bites, which is like flavor like a coffee, but it's tasty. And that's it. It's all about my freezer. And bye bye.